Hello, globetrotters, culture enthusiasts, and all-around adventure lovers. Welcome to the GOoDLife channel, your new go-to hub for all things travel. From unique global features to affordable eats and accommodations, we're here to make your travel dreams a reality. Behind this channel is a new YouTuber, inspired by a passion for exploring the globe. Our creator's tale is one of wanderlust, an insatiable thirst for adventure and cultural immersion. This love for travel sparked the inception of the GOoDLife channel, a platform to share unique experiences, tips, and valuable insights. Fueled by a commitment to unveil hidden gems, cheap eats, and affordable accommodations, the creator's journey is all about exploring the world without breaking the bank. Embarking on this YouTube journey is another adventure, and you're all invited along. So, what can you expect from the GOoDLife channel? Well, there's a world of travel awaiting you, with fresh content landing once or even twice a week. We'll be your compass, guiding you to the best travel destinations, offering insider tips and hacks, and revealing the best budget-friendly eats and stays. Plus, we'll dive deep into the heart of local cultures, sharing immersive experiences that will transport you across the globe. Every week, you'll have new travel insights right at your fingertips. Ready to join this global journey? Immerse yourself in a world of adventure, from cultural experiences to unique travel hacks and affordable stays. Be part of our vibrant travel community. Subscribe to GOoDLife channel now and never miss an opportunity to satisfy your wanderlust.